Essential requirements for the UK Innovator Founder Visa. Are you ready to embark on a business venture in the UK with an Innovator Founder Visa? Welcome back to NovusHub. In today's guide, we're outlining every requirement you must meet to secure this unique opportunity. Let's take a detailed look at what UK Visa and Immigration needs from you. Requirement 1. You must be at least 18 years old. Requirement 2. Secure an endorsement letter from an approved UK body. This letter is crucial and confirms several vital points. The letter must state that you are a fit and proper person to receive the endorsement. It should verify that there are no concerns over the source of your business funds. The body must have no reason to suspect you or your business might benefit from illicit or unexplained wealth. You must have a business plan where you either generated or made a significant contribution to the ideas. You will need to have a day-to-day role in executing this plan. You must arrange at least 2 contact point meetings with the endorsing body at regular intervals. Requirement 3. You must be either the sole founder or an instrumental member of the founding team. Your business must be innovative, viable, and scalable. The endorsement letter should be issued not more than 3 months before the date of your visa application. Requirement 4. Demonstrate English language competency, at least to CEFR level B2 equivalent to IELTS 5.5 in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Requirement 5. You need at least 1,270 pounds to support yourself if you've been in the UK for less than 12 months, plus 285 pounds for a dependent partner, 315 pounds for a first child, and 200 pounds for each additional child. Your application must not fall for refusal on general grounds. And finally, provide a TB test certificate if required. Understanding these requirements is your gateway to launching your innovative business in the UK. Subscribe for more insights and get in touch with NovusHub to help guide your application process. Thanks for watching. Join NovusHub and start your entrepreneurial journey in the UK today.